9 things that will happen to your body if you start eating 2 eggs a day. The useful properties of chicken eggs have been repeatedly questioned. People slandered this product, which has now been proven to be unique in its composition in various ways. 5mcg collected the results of recent studies on the benefits of chicken eggs for the human body. It turned out that 2-3 eggs is the optimal daily dose. Your brain is under choline's protection. Phospholipids, which ensure normal communication of brain cells, consist of choline. It has been clinically proven that this particular vitamin is the most important building material of the brain. If you eat 2 eggs a day, your body receives enough of this nutrient. Choline deficiency leads to a memory decrease. Sight is preserved thanks to lutein. New research has shown that chicken eggs are rich in lutein. This substance is responsible for clear and sharp eyesight. With its deficiency, destructive changes in the eye tissues accumulate, and eyesight irreversibly deteriorates. Vitamin D helps to absorb calcium. If you offer a person the choice of drinking a spoonful of fish oil or eating a boiled egg, the clear majority will prefer the latter, especially if they find out that the content of vitamin D is the same in both cases. Moreover, scientists found a way to increase the amount of vitamin D content in eggs by feeding chickens special supplements. Vitamin D helps calcium better absorb and strengthen your bones and teeth. Vitamin B complex protects the skin, hair, and liver. Biotin, vitamin B12, and digestible nourishing proteins contribute to the strengthening of hair and skin. Phospholipids contained in chicken eggs promote the elimination of toxins from the liver. The risk of cardiovascular diseases is reduced. Despite previous opinions, new research has shown that cholesterol from eggs is balanced with phosphatids, so it's not harmful to our health. It also inhibits the body's own cholesterol production. In addition, eggs contain omega-3 acids which reduce triglyceride levels, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. You start losing weight. American scientists came to the conclusion that if you combine a low-calorie diet with chicken eggs consumption for breakfast, you lose weight twice as quickly. Such a breakfast sates you for a long time, allowing you to decrease the amount of food consumed in a day. Decreases the risk of cancer. Choline, which is so necessary to the brain, also reduces the risk of cancer. According to the results of a study, for women whose daily diet in adolescence included eggs, the risk of developing breast cancer decreased by 18%. Useful when planning children. B vitamins also take part in the formation of sex hormones. Vitamin B9 has another name, folic acid. With its help, red blood cells in the neural tube of the fetus is formed, and the risk of a child's mental retardation is reduced. This is why vitamin B9 is so necessary for women during pregnancy planning. One chicken egg contains 7.0 mcg of the vitamin. The aging process slows down. This is evident from the research conducted by Dutch scientists. In 87% of women from 35 to 40 years old, age spots disappeared and skin lifted. In men, the wrinkles around the eyes noticeably smoothed.